You to Love for Nature series. This is New River. Just to show you a bit about it. This is the Enfield section of the New River. So I jog along the river just to say welcome to my world, love for nature. Bye. I'll get you the sight and sound along the New River. So we have the ducks swimming, floating beautifully on the river. Yeah. The vegetation for you. Right. Bye. To Love for Nature series, just to show you one of the places I do jog. This is close to Cheshunt Golf Course, and along the Cheshunt Golf Course is the New River. So just to show you a bit of where I normally jog and enjoy nature at its best. Bye.